Look. Easter basket. You want to open it? Come on, you want to open it? Here. You open it? Come on.
He's gonna need help, honey.
Come on, buddy.
You're gonna have to get it to where it'll open.
Yeah. Here. Look.
There's something in there, Jamie. What is it?
You want to see what's in here?
What's in there?
Yeah.
Hey, hurry up, Daddy.
I'm working on it. Easter bunny tied this knot real good. Okay, there we go. You're going to play with the ribbon? Go figure. Here you go.
Jamie.
Look.
What's in there? Can you look and see what's in it?
Look.
Look.
Look at all the stuff, man.
Look at that Easter bunny.
Oh, Easter bunny.
Ooh.
Got candy. Got a cool little sports bottle.
Yeah.
Got some eggs in here too. That's a candle egg. That's awesome, dude.
Is there anything in there? Candy, probably.
I'm guessing. Got a little football in here.
Oh, look, Jamie. What's that? Jelly beans? Is that what he's holding?
Yeah.
He's shaking it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Got some candy in here. Got a neat little book. What's it got? A neat little book there.
Hey, Jamie, look at Mama. Jamie, look at Mama. Wow, what is it? Does it shake? Cool.
Got lifesavers.
Hmm. Might need to take that candy out.
Yeah.
Jamie, did you like it? Give me the Easter bunny. Put it to Jamie.
Hey, look, Jamie. Look. Your Easter bunny. That's soft. Feel it.
Oh, look at that Easter bunny. What a nice Easter bunny.
Got a little chocolate Easter egg thing there.
All right.
That's it. Oh, this is cool. We got bubbles.
Bubbles!
That's your favorite thing, dude.
Jamie loves bubbles. That's a balloon thingy. One of those big balloons.
Yeah, that's cool, man. That's
Teeth.
I thought it made noise.
No, I think it's just so you can breathe through it.
That was cool. And a little chocolate. You gotta have a chocolate Easter bunny on Easter.
Except when you're 17 months old, you might not have to have that.
What are these?
Huh?
What are these? It looks cool.
Does it bend?
Oh, look at there.
That one's broken.
Yeah, that one ain't working. Very cool, man. What do you think, huh? Yeah.
Alright, this video is getting very long.
Okay, you can stop these out.
Okay.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Jamie, say Happy Easter.
Jamie, can you say Happy Easter?
Nope.